boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We are going to have some fun today, boys and girls. Wait till you see what we're making. And we also have some special helpers. We have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And Miss Christiana. And Miss Nicole. And we have Mr. Levi.
Hi.
Oh, who's ready to have some fun in the kitchen?
Me.
Oh, good.
What are we making?
Do you know what? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you what we're making because I don't usually show you beforehand. But we're going to be making pasta nests.
Yum.
Oh, have you ever seen a pasta nest?
No.
No. And we made meatballs on an earlier program, and we're going to put meatballs in our pasta nests. But first, I'm going to have you make the nests, okay?
Okay.
Boys and girls, does this look good? Oh, you're going to have fun making this. And you know what? It's really easy, too. So you'll watch and learn, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you each some pasta, okay? And you don't really have to measure. We're going to just give you, I'm going to give you enough for about 3 nests, okay? Because my pan here has enough for about 3 nests.
Miss Cinda,
That's probably
see?
not. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's right. You each are going to have. So Ben, you can put some in your bowl and some in Christiana's bowl.
Oops.
Here, Nicole. Okay, now after you get your pasta like this, and boys and girls, this is angel hair pasta. And do you know what? Do you guys know what angel hair pasta is?
No.
It's a real thin, like spaghetti. Spaghetti's a thicker noodle. This is a thinner noodle. Okay? That might be a little bit more for you.
Pinch myself.
There you go, Nicole.
That should be good.
Okay, now, whoa, look at boys and girls, look! Ah! Look at Ben!
It's like a very long swing.
It's a very long one, isn't it? Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take and put in, let me look, 6 tablespoons of our marinara sauce, okay? And this is just like a spaghetti sauce. So you guys each put the 6 tablespoons in there. Levi, get 6 tablespoons. Your tablespoon.
In there?
And then you guys are going to use the vegan Parmesan, and then we'll switch bowls, okay?
6.
So you each want 6 tablespoons of the vegan Parmesan in your bowls, and you guys are going to put 6 tablespoons. Yes.
Oh.
And you have 2 tablespoons, so you'll use your clean tablespoons for the when you do the Parmesan, okay?
Wait, how much?
6. So count them out.
Oops.
Count them out, Nicole.
1, 2.
Oh, did you put it in there
I
accidentally?
thought that was my bowl.
That's okay. Because we're going to make some more anyway, so you're fine.
5. I've only one more to go.
You got 6? Oh.
Now what?
Well, you have 6 in yours. Nicole's almost done. 5. Oh, you got 1 more. You guys have the Parmesan done?
I do. I do.
Good job, Nicole.
I need Parmesan.
Okay. Now let's switch. Oh, he left his tablespoon in here, so one of you can use this tablespoon. You have 6 in there? Okay. Here, I'll give him this one.
All right.
Oh, you have another one anyways. Okay, now 6 of the vegan Parmesan. Okay?
6. 1.
Okay, keep counting, guys.
1. Wait, how many?
Go ahead, Nicole.
6.
Doesn't this look like fun, boys and girls? And you see how they're leveling off their tablespoons? Look how they're doing that. Very good job. Are you counting, Nicole?
8.
Okay.
2. 4. I don't think there's going to be enough, Miss Cinda.
You know what?
I did 6.
You did 6? Okay, and how many do you have, Ben?
Oh, there's perfectly enough. 6.
Oh, well, there you go. You might as well put the little bit left in there. And how are you doing on the cheese, guys? The vegan Parmesan. Oh, we better not mess her up with counting, huh? Oh, 4. How many is that? 5. Got one more?
5.
Oh, this is 5? Oh.
6. No, it's 6.
Well, you know what, boys and girls? If you're counting and you forget, it's not going to hurt to have an extra tablespoon in there.
Yeah.
So you'll be just fine.
Can I stop mixing my Miss Cinda?
Yes, now you can take your spoon or your tongs and you can mix it up, okay? You want to mix it all up. Okay, you can use your spoon or your tongs and mix it all up.
Miss Cinda, look!
You might want to use your spoon too, Ben, because you want to get all that pasta coated with the sauce.
That's stuck, kind of.
Is it kind of getting stuck?
Miss Cinda.
Cinda,
What?
can I have help?
You sure can have help. Look at boys and girls. Look how Miss Cinda's doing it. It's kind of helps if you do 2. You have one in one hand and one in the other, because it's easier to mix it. See that? Do you see this, Levi? Look at Miss Cinda's doing. Can you do it like this? Can you do it like this, Nicole? See, look. See how I'm getting it all mixed up in there?
Miss Cinda.
What, Levi? Do you need help? Can you do this?
Maybe I'll be able to lift the whole thing.
See, Ben, look how I have hers all mixed up now. See how easy it is to do this? It really helps, boys and girls, if you use 2.
It's tied up with it.
Oh, well, I'll help you. Here, do a little bit more.
Miss Cinda, there's barely in there. The strings are tying up my spoon.
Oh, well, you know what? I'll fix that. Look at that.
No. Oh, I know.
There you go. How are you doing over here?
Miss Cinda.
Mix it up. You're doing good.
Miss Cinda.
You want me to help you, Nicole? Watch. Is it fun, Ben?
Uh-huh. Miss Cinda.
And keep mixing. Look. Oh, Nicole, you've actually done a very good job. You're almost mixed up. You didn't need much help at all.
Ben.
Yeah. There, Nicole, yours is mixed up. That's very good. Look at Nicole's, you guys. That's very good. You want me to help you, Levi? You want me to help you? That's it. Just keep mixing it up.
Levi.
Oh, Ben, you're getting yours mixed up.
I think it's all the way. More like flying.
If you don't cook food, then you'll have to eat raw food.
But you know what? Some raw food is really good.
Ben.
You know, I've been to a restaurant where all they have is raw food,
That's bad.
and it was really good. So there are a lot of food that you can eat that's raw that's very good. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you, Levi. Yeah. It's a little tricky. But if it really works best, boys and girls, if you use 2. Use a spoon and your tongs. See how easy? Now look at Levi. See how that's all mixed up? See?
Miss Cinda,
Okay, now.
am I done?
Yes, now what you're going to do, this is a really fun part. You're going to make a nest.
I
So-
think I know how you mean it, Miss Cinda.
Okay, let me spray. You want to make sure you spray your pan. And this is an oversized muffin tin. So you can make littler ones if you want, but this is an oversized one. Okay, now put some pasta in there, and then you're going to take your hands and make a little nest. And I'll bring my other ones over here so you can see them. Okay?
I have to kind of tear it, Miss Cinda.
Oh, that's okay.
I don't know how to make it turn into a nest.
Well, look. I'll put this here so you can see it. See? And I'll actually, huh?
I don't know. Like that?
There, and that's, yeah, perfect. That's exactly right, Levi.
Is this right, Miss
Yes, and then just kind of make it a little bit more of a
Can you help
nest.
me?
You did awesome, Levi.
But
Look,
look like those.
you could just add a little more.
Cinda.
That when we bake it, we're gonna bake this in the oven, and to serve it, I like a little bit extra sauce. So I might have a little bit extra sauce. I think I left it on the cupboard over there because I want to give you guys each one to taste. Who wants to taste one?
Me.
So keep making them, but I'm going to show you. Look, here's what you guys how you're going to eat it. You take it like this, and then you see how you put a meatball in the middle? And then I'm going to go get some extra sauce. And that way you guys can each taste it, because then we put some sauce over the top, boys and girls, and you have your pasta nest. Doesn't it look like a little bird nest?
Uh-huh.
Isn't that cute? See how we put a meatball right in the center? Isn't that cute?
Egg in the nest.
Yeah, kind of, isn't it? Isn't that cute? And I'm going to put and I'll spoon some sauce over on it,
Miss
okay?
Cinda,
What?
my fingers are getting sticky.
Oh, well, that's why I have a towel there for
Can
you.
I eat some? Can I eat some?
Oh, yes. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. I got to hurry and get the sauce. Okay. I thought I had an extra jar over there. Okay, let me put a little bit of sauce over each one. See, just like that. Doesn't that look
It's
yummy?
like a volcano.
Oh, you guys are doing a good job.
Yeah, it's raining tomato sauce and it falls on the nest.
It's raining and it gets wet.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, with tomato sauce.
Okay, here's a fork. And you can try one. Boys and girls, doesn't this look good? You can make this at home, and then you can try one. Would you like to try one?
Miss Cinda.
You can set it right there. You'll be fine.
Another towel.
Oh, I'll get here's a towel right here.
Thank you.
That's what we have those for. Oh, Christiana, you're doing so good. Would you like to taste one? Okay, there's yours. And Mr. Ben, would you like to taste one?
Sure.
And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take and put these.
Here.
Yeah, that's Christiana's. Let me take this. I'm going to take these and I'll put them in the oven, okay? And that way we're going to bake them, okay? Let's put these in the oven. And they'll get nice and brown, and they'll sit up like that. See, they get kind of firm. What do you think? Are they good?
Yeah.
Mm?
Haven't tried them yet.
Oh,
Falling apart.
that's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. I hope you've enjoyed our cooking program today. And always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.